In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on spell check in Outlook. We'll walk through both Outlook Desktop Classic and the new Outlook on Windows, so you can make sure spelling and grammar are checked automatically while you write and before you hit send. Let's start with Outlook Desktop Classic. Open Outlook, then go to the File tab in the top left and choose Options. In the window that opens, select the Mail section on the left. Here, click Spelling and Autocorrect. This is where you control how Outlook handles spelling and grammar as you type. Turn on Check Spelling as you type so misspelled words get underlined in real time, and turn on Mark Grammar Errors as you type to catch grammar issues the same way. These settings help you fix mistakes on the fly and keep your writing clear. Click OK to save your changes and return to the Mail settings. While you're still in the Mail section, you can add one more safety net. Under Compose Messages, enable Always Check Spelling before sending. With this on, Outlook will prompt you to review spelling before any email goes out, which is especially helpful for important messages. Once you've enabled that, click OK to confirm your settings and close the Options window. From now on, Classic Outlook will underline issues as you type and, if you chose, give you a final spelling check before sending. Now, let's cover the new Outlook on Windows. Start by opening a new message using New Email. In the Message window, go to the Message tab on the ribbon, then select Editor, and choose Editor Settings. This brings up Microsoft Editor's preferences, which powers spelling and grammar checks in the new Outlook. Toggle on the options for spelling and grammar so Outlook can flag mistakes while you write. When you're done, select OK to apply your changes. The editor will now provide suggestions right in your message, keeping your emails polished without extra effort. A quick note to keep in mind, spell check uses your system or office language settings, so the underlines and suggestions will follow that language. If you regularly write in multiple languages, you can change the proofing language per message or adjust your default language in your office settings. That's it. Thanks for watching.